In this video, we're going to show you how to install and activate Kaspersky Anti-Virus. Start by making sure your computer meets Kaspersky Anti-Virus system requirements. Then go to Kaspersky Lab site, download and run the installation file. Before beginning installation, confirm your participation in the Kaspersky Security Network program. This isn't mandatory, but it could help you detect potential new threats to your computer. Allow the installation in Windows User Account Control, and if incompatible programs are detected, confirm their automatic deletion. Wait for the installation to complete, then run Kaspersky Anti-Virus. The first time you run the program, you will be given the opportunity to activate it using the 20-character code you received in an email after purchasing the antivirus program from an online retailer. Make sure your system date is set correctly and your computer is connected to the internet. Then enter the activation code. Or you can just activate a 30-day trial license. That's it! Kaspersky Anti-Virus has been activated and is ready to go. Learn more about Kaspersky Anti-Virus's functionality and settings at support.kaspersky.com.